Together, we'll bring every color back. Look, the first color is coming back. Kindness really brought the red. WonderBloom Kid!
It was a bright morning in magical WonderBloom Village.
What a beautiful morning! I wonder what adventure today will bring.
But something strange was happening to the rainbow.
Good
river.
morning, everyone! It's such a beautiful day! I can't wait for today's adventure!
Let's make today extra special.
Its beautiful colors were
This is going to be an amazing
disappearing.
adventure! Look at all these beautiful flowers! The Rainbow River is waiting for us! Race you to the river!
Kiko knew his friends would help solve the mystery.
What is money?
Lumi Owl shared an ancient secret about the river.
The river has lost all of its magic.
Only acts of kindness could bring the colors
Look!
back.
The whole village is losing its colors! It's spreading everywhere!
We have to find out what's causing this. Let's search for someone who knows the river's
The
secret.
friends set off on a
Keep
colorful
looking,
adventure
everyone!
together.
There has to be a clue. I hear something deeper in the forest.
Let's go see what it is.
Wait! I see a magical
Their
glow
first
over
chance
there.
to help was waiting
Welcome, my
nearby.
dear friends. I have been expecting you.
Do you know what's happening to the Rainbow River?
Yes, and together we can restore its
Every
magic.
kind choice
The
made
Rainbow
the magic
River
grow
is
stronger.
powered by kindness, courage, sharing.
Gratitude, patience.
Exactly.
A tiny sparkle of hope returned to the
Together,
river.
we'll bring every color back. Let's do it!
The journey continued with hearts full of kindness.
Don't worry, little friend. I'll help you across. You're almost there! You can do it!
The first rainbow color finally
Look!
returned.
The first color is coming back. Kindness really brought the red back.
Every kind act makes the river stronger.
Sharing with others brought back
Everyone
another bright
deserves
color.
something to eat. These berries are for you.
Sharing brings even more magic.
Look! Another color is coming.
Helping someone in need. filled
Hang
the
on,
river
little
with more
friend.
life.
You're safe now.
Ribbit! Your kindness brought another color back. Look! Yellow is shining.
Kindness
Take your
spread
time,
like
little one.
sunshine
I'll help
across
you cross
WonderBloom.
safely.
The green color is back.
The Rainbow River is getting brighter.
Even laughter can brighten
Everybody
someone's day.
needs a big laugh. Haha, you're hilarious, Nori. I can't stop laughing. Look, blue is returning to the river.
Every helpful act
Even little
made the
homes
rainbow
deserve
even
big
stronger.
care.
Your patience restored another beautiful color.
The web is shining again. Look! Indigo is flowing into the river.
At last, every
Every little
beautiful
flower
color
makes
had
our
returned.
world more beautiful. The last color is back. The Rainbow River is shining again. We did it!
The friends celebrated
Because
their
each of
wonderful
you chose
teamwork
kindness, WonderBloom shines brighter than ever.
We couldn't have done it without everything together. Kindness really can change the whole world.
Together.
Together,
Their friendship made the
we brought
victory
the colors
even
home.
more special.
True magic is kindness.
Forever!
The
harmony
harmony
tree
tree
glowed
blooms
brighter
because
than ever
kindness has
before.
filled every heart.
It's more beautiful than ever. Look at all the magical leaves.
This is the happiest day ever.
Let's make
WonderBloom
this the
Village
happiest
prepared a
celebration
joyful
WonderBloom has
celebration.
ever
The
seen.
flowers make everything feel so welcoming.
These lanterns are gonna look amazing tonight.
Everyone's gonna love the party.
Music,
Come on,
laughter,
everyone.
and smiles
Let's
filled
celebrate
every
together. This is the best party ever!
Every
friends
kind
kept
heart
spreading
keeps
kindness
WonderBloom
every
shining.
single
The best
day.
adventures are the ones that help others.
Sharing happiness makes it grow even bigger.
Let's keep smiles every day. What a
As the sun
beautiful day
set,
we'll
the
always
Rainbow River
remember.
sparkled
The river
with
looks
every
even more
color.
magical at sunset.
I'm thankful we shared this adventure together.
Their story inspired
Every
young
small
hearts to
act of
choose
big
kindness too.
difference. We'll help others every day.
And that's how WonderBloom will always stay bright.
We promise.
Kindness, like
The
gentle
Rainbow
ripples,
River reminds us
travels
that every
farther than we
kind
know.
choice leaves a beautiful ripple.
Even the smallest kindness can brighten someone's day.
Now it was your
And the-
turn to make the world brighter.
Will you help spread kindness wherever you go?
Every smile and every helping hand makes a difference.
One choice.
The
See you
adventure
soon,
ended,
friends.
but many more were waiting ahead.
No matter where you go, kindness will always light the way. We'll be waiting for our next adventure together.
Until then, let your kindness make
Until
the
next
world
time.
Bye,
bloom.
friends.
Remember, kindness
Thank you
makes
for joining
everyday
our
magical.
adventure. Keep sharing kindness every single day.
In WonderBloom very soon.
Goodbye, and see you next time.